If you're looking for a nostalgic and refreshing salad, this grape salad is just what you need for all your summer and spring gatherings. It's super easy to make. Let me show you how. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making a grape salad. Before you swipe away, just bear with me for 1 second. This salad is so refreshing and it's a blast from my childhood, and I stumbled upon it recently at a restaurant and it's amazing. It's super simple to make. It's gonna take you about 5 minutes to throw together. Let me show you how to make it. So first we're gonna make the dressing. And the dressing is essentially like a fruit dip. So we've done the fruit dip from before, and this is pretty similar to that. So we're just gonna add some Greek yogurt to a bowl, and then some softened cream cheese, and then a little bit of honey and some vanilla. We're gonna add a little bit of vanilla, and then you're just gonna beat this together with a hand mixer. Already tastes amazing. I mean, it's honey and cream cheese. Can't beat that. That's it. You just want to beat it until it's smooth and creamy. And just one tip, you want to make sure your ingredients, like your cream cheese especially, is room temperature so that it blends in really easily and you don't have like big chunks of cream cheese in there. So now we're just going to add our dressing to the bowl of grapes, and you can do this 2 ways. You can cut your grapes in half, or you can leave them whole. If you cut them in half, you're going to want to serve your salad within like 24 to 36 hours. If you leave them whole, this is great for prepping ahead for like a potluck or a picnic, because you can essentially make this salad about 3 to 4 days in advance and then just chill it in the refrigerator. And then you're gonna toss everything to combine. I'm gonna get a bigger spoon. And it's not like super creamy. So it's creamy, but it's not gonna be like overly dressed. It's a lightly dressed salad. I use that term very loosely here because it's almost like dessert. And you can use any grapes you want. So you can use all green, you can use all red. Just make sure they're seedless, because nobody wants their guests spitting out grape seeds at the table. That's kind of disgusting. But or even eating the grape seeds. I like the green and the red together because it kind of gives it a little more contrast. It doesn't look so just like one flat color. It's not the prettiest salad, but it definitely is delicious. All right, so now we're just going to plate it up in a serving dish, and I'm going to give it a taste. So I've transferred all of my salad to a little serving dish, and then I have some chopped walnuts, and I like to add these. They add some crunch and a little variety to the salad since it's just all grapes and the dressing. Don't skip the walnuts. If you have a nut allergy, you can use like sunflower seeds or something crunchy. Maybe soy nuts would be awesome as well. If you don't like walnuts, you can use another kind of nut. You top it right before serving, and I just put it all on the top, even the little crumbs. I'm gonna take a quick bite. It's so good. You have the tangy sweetness of the grapes with that smooth creaminess of the dressing and the crunch of the walnuts. It's so, so good. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.